Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of digital currencies, going beyond the realm of Bitcoin to uncover the hidden gems and revolutionary technologies shaping the future of finance. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we embark on this digital currency deep dive. The rise of Bitcoin. Before we venture into the depths of alternative cryptocurrencies, let's take a moment to appreciate the groundbreaking innovation that started it all: Bitcoin. Born out of the ashes of the 2008 financial crisis, Bitcoin introduced the world to the concept of decentralized digital currency, free from the control of governments and traditional financial institutions. Its meteoric rise to fame and fortune captured the imaginations of millions, paving the way for a new era of digital finance. Beyond Bitcoin, altcoins and tokens. But Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. Enter the world of altcoins and tokens, where innovation knows no bounds. From Ethereum's smart contract platform to Ripple's cross-border payment solutions, each digital currency offers unique features and capabilities that cater to different use cases and industries. Whether you're interested in decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or the Internet of Things, IoT, there's a digital currency out there for you. Exploring DeFi. One of the most exciting developments in the world of digital currencies is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. Built on blockchain technology, DeFi platforms aim to revolutionize traditional financial services by removing intermediaries and empowering users with greater control over their assets. From decentralized exchanges, DEXs, to lending protocols and yield farming, the possibilities are endless in the world of DeFi. Navigating the Wild West, but with great innovation comes great risk. The world of digital currencies can be a wild and unpredictable place, filled with scams, hacks, and volatile price swings. Navigating this Wild West requires caution, diligence, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Always do your own research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and beware of anyone promising guaranteed returns or quick riches. The future of finance. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the future of finance is undeniably digital. As governments and central banks around the world explore the potential of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and blockchain technology, the lines between traditional finance and digital currencies continue to blur. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, now is the time to educate yourself and embrace the digital revolution. And there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of the ever-evolving landscape of digital currencies. From Bitcoin to altcoins, DeFi to CBDCs, the future of finance has never looked more exciting. So strap in, stay informed, and get ready to ride the wave of digital innovation to new heights. Until next time, happy hodling.